What is up, you guys? Today I will be shaving my face. First, you want to make sure you prep the skin, so you want to go ahead and cleanse your face to make sure you're not spreading any bacteria. Next, with my cotton round, I'm going to go ahead and use my witch hazel to act as a toner. I'm going to go ahead and put this all over my face. This is to make sure I get rid of any oils, sweat, or any excess makeup that might have been left over from initially cleansing the face. Next, you're going to want to use a light oil, so nothing that's going to clog your pores. My choice was coconut oil, so I'm going to go ahead and warm it up in my hands and rub it all over your face. This is so that when you shave your face, it's easier and the blade can just glide across your face with no tugging. I want to go ahead and give a big shout out to JillRazor. They went ahead and sent me over their super cute and eco-friendly travel case. I'm just showing you what it comes with. A super cute booklet. It gives you a step-by-step instructions on how to use the blade. It also comes with a Jill wand. It comes pre-installed with your petite blade. It comes with the lid, just to make sure it keeps your blade nice and safe. And then it also comes with a wide blade. This is mainly for the larger areas of your face. And this is mainly for the larger surfaces of your face. And this is the gunk pad to wipe off any of the gunk that was accumulated from shaving. All right, guys, and now for the fun part. You're going to want to hold your razor at a 45-degree angle and pull the skin tight with the opposite hand. Use short downward strokes and shave in the direction that the hair grows. So I'm just going to go ahead and give you guys a close-up on how it should be looking. And guys, please excuse my skin. I am going through my woman's monthly cycle and I'm, for whatever reason, having breakouts, so just bear with me, guys. But yes, here I am just showing you how I'm shaving my face. And for this next part, guys, I really should have switched out my blade to the petite one, because that's really what it's for, the upper lip and the brow. So when you guys purchase this set, you guys can go ahead and switch out your blade and use the smaller one for the lip area. So I wanted to show you guys right here that if you're not holding the blade in the right direction, you will get cut. These blades are super sharp, so just make sure you guys are being careful. Just giving you a close-up of all the gunk, and I'm going to go ahead and use my little gunk towel and wipe that right on off. and final step, you want to make sure you wipe off your skin from any other gunk that accumulated. Just to guarantee I got everything off, I went ahead and used my witch hazel. Be sure you're nourishing your face with a facial serum, moisturizer, or facial oil afterwards. I want to give a big shout out to JillRazor. They went ahead and hooked you guys up with a 10% discount if you use Amanda10 at checkout. So be sure to check the description box down below so you can receive 10% off on this entire kit. Now guys, get out there and conquer the world because you are amazing. Thank you so much for your support. Be sure you subscribe to my channel, and until next time, bye guys.